Okay, guys, good afternoon, everyone. So let's begin, right? Okay. I hope I'm audible, guys, properly. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay,
Okay,
let's do the.
guys, good afternoon, everyone. So let's begin, right?
Okay.
I hope I'm audible, guys, properly.
Guys, am I audible?
Good afternoon, everyone.
Am I audible, everyone? Okay, guys. So let's do the first question. Let's start. Not a very difficult one. No, which is 7.2 is not the correct answer. Yes, Vanshika, 6 is the correct answer. So 6 is the correct answer. So let's check. So they say that A alone can complete a job in 18 days and B can do it in 27 days. Now you must have done, आप लोगों ने भी वही मेथड यूज किया होगा एलसीएम वाला. So जो अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क है उसको हम अज्यूम कर सकते हैं, राइट, टू बी द एलसीएम ऑफ 18 and 27 which is 54. नाउ इनकी एफिशिएंसी निकाल लेते हैं. एफिशिएंसी होता है यूनिट्स मेड और वर्क डन पर आवर और पर डे. So A can complete 54 units in 18 days. So A's efficiency is 54 by 18, which is 3 units per day. And B's efficiency will be 54 by 27, that is 2 units per day. Now they're saying if C takes 5/6 of the time, so if C takes 5/6 of the time, so he will be 6 by 5 times efficient than both A and B together. That means C's efficiency will be 6/5 of 3 plus 2, which is 5. So C makes 6 units in a day. 6 units in a day. Now they're saying A and C, 9. So 54 by 9, which is 6 days. That's the answer. Right? So I hope this is clear to all. Right? So this is how we can do it. Work with efficiencies as much as possible. Take LCMs and all. Assume work. That's the best thing you can do. Right. Let's move on to the next. Yes, correct. My yes, Vanshika, correct. Okay, so so if I discuss this, A completes two-thirds of a certain job in 12 days. So two-thirds. So two-thirds in 12 days. So the full work will be 12 into 3 by 2. That is 18. So A takes 18 days to complete the job. B can take one-third to do in 10 days. So complete work will be 10 into 3, 30 days. This is what B takes. And C finishes three-fourths of the work in 15 days. So the full work will be 15 into 4 by 3, which is 20 days. Right? So what is the LCM of these three? It's I think 180 ले लेते हैं. Right? So if all of them work together for 6 days, so A's efficiency is 180 by 8, 18, that is 10 units per day. B's efficiency is 180 by 36 units per day, and C's efficiency is 180 by 29 units per day. So together they are making 25 units in a day. So they work together for 6 days. So in 6 days, 150 units are made out of 180. So remaining 30 units, who they are talking about? So this is C. They're talking about A. How long will A take to complete? So A's efficiency is 10. So 30 by 10, which is 3. So, right. So pretty simple to do if you work with efficiencies. Right. No issues whatsoever. So next, let's do it. Let's. This is basically that leak, question where there's a leak at the bottom or outlet pipe and inlet pipe. So just attempt this. No, Pankri, it's not that. Yes, Vanshika, good. No, my it's not 672. Anyone else? Okay. Chalo, I'll explain. They're saying a tank has a leak at its bottom which empties it at 8 liters per minute. So the efficiency is 8 liters per minute, but it is outlet, right? It has also a filling tap which can fill the tank in 8 hours. So 8 hours में अगर tank is getting filled, so let the capacity be A liters per minute of the inlet pipe. So the capacity of the tank will be because 8 8 hours में fill कर रहा है 8 into 60 into A. Mind you, ये गलती होती है, ये मिनट में है और वो hours में है. So make sure you know accordingly you adjust. If that if the tank takes 20 hours to become full, right? It also has a filling tab which can fill the tank in 8 hours. If the tank takes 20 hours to become full, then find the capacity of the tank. See, अकेले तो ये 8 hours में भर रहा है, but लीक के साथ there is a leak at the bottom, so वो 20 hours में भरा जा रहा है. So capacity कितनी हो जाएगी? A भरा जा रहा है और 8 जा रहा है. So ये हो जाएगा A minus 8, right? इतना and in how many hours? In 20 hours. But capacity तो same ही रहेगी, तो I can equate both of them. So if I equate both of them, so it gets cancelled. So 8A is equal to 20A minus 160 हो जाएगा. So 12A is equal to 160. So A आएगा हमारे पास, right? If I'm not wrong, yeah, have I done it correctly? A minus 8, yes. A minus 8 into 20 into 60. 60 तो anyways get cancelled. 20A. 12A is equal to 160. So A का वैल्यू आ गया 160 by 12. Now put it here. Capacity हो जाएगी 8 into 60 into 160 by 12. ये रहा capacity यही है. इधर I can put it. 12 fives are right. तो 40 into 160. 16 fours are 64. 6400 is the answer. 64. Right? I hope this is clear. So just keep the capacity constant very easily. So just assume कि जो fill कर रहा है वो A liters per minute है और उसके हिसाब से then we can do it very easily. Right? Let's do another one. Similar one. Yes, mine. Fourth option. Yes. Yes, Vanshika. Very nice. Yes, Panguri. Very nice. Right. So, guys, they are saying a swimming pool can be filled by two pipes A and B in 4 hours and 6 hours respectively. Both pipes are open together for a certain time. So, again, we can do that. Okay, let the capacity be LCM of 4 and 6, right? Which I can take as 12. So, 12 is the capacity, and the efficiency of pipe A is 12 by 4, which is 3, and the efficiency of pipe B is 12 by 6, which is 2. Now, somehow, due to the la- both pipes are open together, but due to clogging, so the efficiency becomes 7/12 of 3 for A, and for B, the efficiency becomes 5/8 of 5/8 of 2. So it became 7 by 4 and plus 7 by 4 and plus 5 by 4, which is 12 by 4. 5 by 4 and 7 by 4, which is, so they are only filling 3 units together. Now, after they're saying कि the clogs are detected and removed, the remaining part of the pool is filled in 1 hour after repair. So in the last 1 hour after repair, they must have filled one into total efficiency, which is 5. So for that matter, at the old efficiency to A plus B का ओल्ड एफिशिएंसी वो 3 है, उस रेट पे उन्होंने 7 लीटर्स भरे होंगे, क्योंकि 5 तो उन्होंने लास्ट 1 आवर में भरा है। 7/3 is the time after which the clogging was removed. Just 2 hours. 1/3 is 20 minutes. So 2 hours, right? 7/3, just 2 hours, 2 hours, 20 minutes. I hope this is clear, right? So let's move on to next. Okay, no issues. I'll explain. Just waiting for somebody to give me answer, then I'll explain. Okay, chalo, I'll explain. So it says that, okay, yes. Chalo, I'll explain. 10 inlet pipes of same capacity fill a tank in same time in which A outlet pipes of same capacity can empty it. So let us say that the capacity of the inlet is M and that of outlet. Inlet is M and outlet is N. Yes, Vanshika, absolutely correct. Very nice. Outlet is N. So if I say that 10M into T, whatever the capacity will be, and it will be same as A into N. So I've got this relation first. T तो cancel ही हो जाएगा. This is the capacity. I can equate the capacities always. Now, alternatively, 8 inlet pipes and 2 outlet pipes. That means 4M plus 2N फर्स्ट मिनट में, फिर 8M and 4, sorry, minus 4M, 8M minus 4N in the second. अगर ऐसा कर रहे हैं वो तो 30 मिनट्स में टैंक भर जा रहा है. So I know that 4M, 8M, all these values, right? So I know 12M is getting filled in 2 minutes and 6N is getting out, right? And we have 15 such cycles to make 30 minutes. एक साइकिल 2 मिनट का है, उसमें 12M भर रहा है, 6N जा रहा है. So 12M minus 6N into 15 cycles is the capacity again. And this is same as they are saying if the time in which two outlet pipes can empty the completely filled tank is 72. So 2N into 72 ये बराबर. अब मेरे पास एक रिलेशन ये है, एक रिलेशन ये है. अब मैं इजीली सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ. So it will give me 15 into 12 is 180 m minus 90n is equal to 144n. So from here, I will be getting 180m is equal to 234n. This is what I have got. So now I can equate, right? I can say m by n from the first case, m by n is a by 10, and m by n from here is 234 by 180, and I have to find the value of a. So a by 10 is equal to 234 by 180, and this is 13 times. So a is 13. I hope this is how we can do this. So ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स अगर आप कैपेसिटी को इक्वेट करके करो और एफिशिएंसी लेके करो, so that is a very convenient way of doing these problems, right? Let's move on to the next one. Similar. Yes, mine. It's the first option. Waiting for others to answer. Yeah, that can be done also. Yes, 20. Okay, so let's understand. They're saying pipes A and pipe A and B are inlet pipe and pipe C is an outlet pipe. Pipe A supplies water at 25 liters per hour. So let's say that the capacity, इसका तो पता ही है 45 है ना? Pipe B can fill the tank in 3 hours. So let the capacity of B is say B liters and that of C is C, small c. So what is the capacity? These are the efficiencies. So what is the capacity of the tank? 3B, which is also equal to 12C. And this is also equal to, because when all three are together working, तो क्या क्या होगा 1 आवर में भर रहा है तो B प्लस सी सॉरी 45 प्लस B माइनस सी जस्ट राइट 45 plus B because these are two inlet pipes and C is an outlet pipe into 1. Now from here I get a relation that B is equal to 4C. So if I put it here and use these two, so I get 12C is equal to 45 plus 4C minus C. So 9C is 45, so C is 5. The efficiency of C is 5. And what are they asking? They are asking the what is the rate of flow of pipe B? B का पूछा है and B is 4C. So 4 into 5 which is 20. So using this you can do it very easily. Right? Chalo, let's move on to the next. Yes, yes, push the third. Yes, A and B. Yes. Okay. So not a difficult one, but sometimes the language can be confusing. So I That's why I chose this question. Anu takes 5 days to complete a job. B takes twice as much as time, so 10. C takes twice, so 20. And D takes twice, so 40. Now, if I take the LCM, so 40, so the efficiency will be 8, 4, 2, and 1. Now they're saying which of the two of the four, when working together, take 25% of the time to complete the job that the other two would take working together, which is the faster pair. So the condition here is the time taken by one pair should be one fourth of the other. If that condition is satisfied, then which is the faster? So I can go with option. This is the best way of doing it. So their efficiency is 9, A and D, 40 by 9, and this is 40 by 6. Now, if I find one fourth of this, so this does not make 40 by 9. So this is not the correct answer. Let's move on to the next option, A and C. A and C's efficiency is 10. So 40 by 10, first pair, and 40 by 5, the other pair, right? A and C if I use. So if I find one fourth of it, it is not 40 by 10, right? Then next is A and B, so 40 by 12, and the other will be 40 by 3. And if I find one fourth of it, it's going to be the same as 40 by 12. So answer is A and B. So very easily I could have done it by options. Not a very difficult one still. Let's do it next. Yes, Vanchika, very good. Okay, my yes, correct. So a very simple way of doing this problem is like that there were A students and efficiency is 1. Doesn't matter, right? Because at the end, you have to find number of students. So efficiency doesn't matter in this question. So total capacity or total work is 5A initially. Now, in the first hour, A units were made, there were A students, second A minus 6, then A minus 8, then A minus 10 and so on till the 8th hour. So I have 8A minus, now I have to add the number 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16, 7 such values I have to take and 18. I can add simply, don't make a AP or something unnecessary, it will take time. So 14 and 10, 24, 36, 50 and 50 and 34, 84 minus 84. This is the total capacity and this is also equal to 5A. So 3A is 84, so A is 28. So very simply I can do this problem, not a very difficult one. It's just that the process of this, कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ ये difficult हो रहा है, series बन रही है something. तो just sound of the question आपको लग सकता है कि थोड़ा complicated है, but आराम से ये किया जा सकता है. ठीक है, let's move on. This is the last question of the day. Compile these many only, right? Uh, since I was busy with festivities. So next time there will be more questions. Very good, Vanshika. Very nice. Waiting for others to answer. No, no, no. See, first, the efficiencies are in the ratios. Okay, I'll explain. Efficiencies are in the ratio 2 is to 4 is to 5, and the work is done in how many days? It is done in 18 days. So let's total efficiency of all three is 9. So 9 into 18. Let's say 198 is the total work. Now they did half of the work. Half of the work, 99 is left. After half of the work is done, one of them must be withdrawn due to budgetary constraints. If their daily wages are in the ratio 4 is to 6 to 7 respectively, and the work is done at the minimal cost, the number of days in which the other two can complete the work. So obviously, I will be taking the people who are more efficient. And see, if you look at the efficiencies of these two, it's much higher. But as compared to this person with the least efficiency, उसको डबल पैसा मिल रहा है, बाकियों को डबल से कम मिल रहा है. सो मैं जो ज्यादा एफिशिएंट है उनको लूंगा ताकि मिनिमल कॉस्ट लगे. कॉस्ट इस वजह से नहीं है. सी आप ये देखो, इसको डबल पैसा परसेंटेज देखते हैं. 2 का 4 मिल रहा है, इसे 4 का 6 ही मिल रहा है और 5 का 7 भी मिल रहा है. ऑल्दो उनकी वेजेस ज्यादा हैं, एफिशिएंसी भी ज्यादा है, बट एज कंपेयर टू व्हाट देयर एफिशिएंसी इज, देयर वेजेस आर नॉट एज हाई जो कि लीस्ट एफिशिएंसी वाले का है. अब भी मैं इन दोनों को ही लूंगा. सो 99 by 9 which is 11. That is it. So this is the answer, right, guys? So that's all. I hope you like the questions, right, and the session. So please like the session, and if you want put a comment on the video, you can, right? It will be of great help. Let the others also know, right? So I'll come up with the next session on Sunday. Sunday I will be taking a session on time, speed, and distance, right? कुछ वेज ज्यादा नहीं पे करनी पड़ रही है. देखो, आप ये देखो, इसको इसको दो एफिशिएंसी है, इसको चार डबल वेज मिल रही है. परसेंटेज से कंपेयर करते हैं तो उनकी एफिशिएंसी भी तो ज्यादा है. वेज देने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कम दिन भी तो लगेंगे. फिर जो ज्यादा एफिशिएंट होगा, कम दिन में काम खत्म होगा, तब भी तो उससे भी तो पैसा बचेगा पर डे का. तो उस चीज को समझना है, राइट कुछ. तो ये देखो, कंपेयर करो, 2 का 4 मिल रहा है, 4 का 6 मिल रहा है, 5 का 7 मिल रहा है. तो जो लीस्ट एफिशिएंट है उसको उसके काम के हिसाब से डबल पैसा मिल रहा है एज कंपेयर टू द अदर्स जिनको डबल भी नहीं मिल रहा है. इसलिए उनको लिया जाएगा जिनका, राइट, एफिशिएंसी ज्यादा हो और बजट परसेंटेज इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ द वेज वो बाकियों से कम हो, वो देखना है. एनी डे गाइस फॉर यू. टेक केयर. See you with the next video of time and time, speed and distance. Right. Take care.